curiosity. The defining characteristic of children is curiosity. Okay, तो वो लोग, we know that children ask a lot of questions. ये क्यों हो रहा है, वो क्यों हो रहा है, तो ये बहुत सारे वो लोग प्रश्न पूछते हैं. तो मेरे दिमाग में ये प्रश्न था कि वृद्धत्व में, ओल्ड एज में क्यूरोसिटी कम होती है क्या? वृद्धत्व के वजह से क्यूरोसिटी जो हमारी है वो कम होती है क्या? और ये प्रश्न लेके मैंने पढ़ाई को शुरुआत की, बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू नो द आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन. ओके, तो सबसे पहले मैं क्लियर करना चाहती हूँ कि ये जो क्यूरोसिटी है, इंग्लिश में जो हम लोग बोलते हैं कि प्राइंग, मतलब किसी के प्राइवेट अफेयर्स में दखलंदाजी करना, तो वो प्राइंग अलग है. क्यूरोसिटी यानी जेन्युइनली ट्राइंग टू नो अबाउट समथिंग, इन्वेस्टिगेट समथिंग जिसमें मुझे इंटरेस्ट है. ओके, सो दैट इज नॉट ट्रेसपासिंग ऑन द राइट ऑफ एनीवन. जानकारी हासिल करने की जो चाहत या इच्छा है, ओके, तो उसको हम लोग क्यूरोसिटी कह सकते हैं, जिसको हम लोग हिंदी में जिज्ञासा कहते हैं. ओके, इंग्लिश में शायद आप लोगों को मालूम होगा कि देयर इज दिस सेइंग व्हिच इज कॉल्ड क्यूरोसिटी किल्ड द कैट. आप लोगों ने सुना है? ये सुना है? आप लोग भी बात कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज आई डोंट, इट विल बी नाइस इफ ऑल ऑफ यू आल्सो कैन टॉक. आपने सुना है ये?
Definitely.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
yes.
okay, okay. Yeah. So क्या लगता है आपको? क्या लगता है? Is it true or what is it?
This is true.
Okay.
Not always.
Not
Sometimes.
always. Not
Not
always.
always.
Yeah,
Not
sometimes.
So
Yeah.
sometimes it is true, not always, as you rightly said, ma'am. So this curiosity kill the cat. This kind of saying, this idiom or this proverb is very well known. But उसका जो दूसरा भाग है, the other part generally is not very well known. The other part is that satisfaction brought it back. So curiosity killed the cat, but satisfaction brought it back. Okay, so the first part, as you said, that it talks about the dangers of unnecessary investigation. कुछ भी चीज के बारे में unnecessarily उसको जानकारी उसकी लेने की कोशिश करना, या जिसमें अपना कोई काम नहीं है, वो unnecessary चीज को मतलब जानने की कोशिश करना. सो इट टॉक्स अबाउट द डेंजर्स ऑफ दैट. और हम लोग ये हमेशा सुनते आ रहे हैं कि भाई अननेसेसरी जो अपने को कंसर्न नहीं करता है, वो चीज में आप अपना टांग मत अड़ाइए, या फिर आप उसको ज्यादा उसके बारे में जानकारी मत लेने की कोशिश कीजिए. बट ये दूसरा जो पार्ट है, जो हम लोगों को इतने अच्छे तरीके से, इतना मतलब वेल नोन नहीं है, दैट इज के satisfaction brought it back. मतलब the second part says that if curiosity is there, sometimes, as you are rightly saying, sometimes the risk is worth it, and the cat got to live. The cat has not died. The cat got to live. So it took the risk, and because it took the risk, it found something new. Because it found something new, it was satisfied and it lived. तो ये जनरली हम लोगों को बोला नहीं जाता है. सिर्फ अननेसेसरी टांग मत अड़ाओ, या इसमें ध्यान मत दो चीजों के, इसके ऊपर ज्यादा जानकारी, अपने को कुछ करना नहीं है ना, तो क्यों अननेसेसरी उसकी जानकारी हासिल करनी? अपने काम की चीज नहीं है ना, तो क्यों फाइंड आउट करो? ऐसे करके हम लोग कोई भी टॉपिक को हम लोग छोड़ देते हैं. तो इसके लिए मेरे दिमाग में ये प्रश्न था कि वृद्धत्व के वजह से ये हमारी जो क्यूरोसिटी है, जिज्ञासा है, वो कम हो जाती है क्या? हम लोग देखते हैं, जैसे मैंने कहा कि बच्चे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं, वो हिसाब से ओल्ड एज वी सी is associated with contentment with life and loss of appetite to discover new things. Loss of appetite to discover new things. So is that really true? ये जो जनरली होता है वृद्धत्व में, बट ये सही है क्या? हम लोग इसके बारे में क्या कर सकते हैं?
Senior citizens, yeah. You don't mind?
Yeah. Okay. Can I go ahead? Yeah. Can I go ahead?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So basically, does curiosity decrease with age? Okay. तो ये जो generally we know, and as we have seen, that a 3-year-old, they say, asks 100 questions an hour, might ask. ओके तो जनरली चिल्ड्रन की, बच्चों की क्यूरोसिटी बहुत ज्यादा होती है. ओके सो दे टेंड टू आस्क मेनी क्वेश्चंस. This is, as they grow older, generally, because this this tendency to ask questions or to challenge things generally is not encouraged so much. So iske liye, by the time they are 8 to 10 years of age, they feel burned out. और उनकी ये जो टेंडेंसी है, या फिर ये जो हमारी जो वृत्ति है प्रश्न पूछने की, उसको इतनी अहमियत नहीं दी जाती है. सो by the age of 8 to 10 years, generally, students feel burned out. Okay, and they said, and research has said, that brains go in the beginning stages of decline. हम लोग जो decline के बारे में बात करते हैं, जो cognitive decline के बारे में बात करते हैं, जो वृद्धत्व में होता है, तो वो जनरली रिसर्च में कहा गया है कि वो हमारे 20 से उसकी शुरुआत होती है, हमारे 20 से. Okay, और ये एक छोटा सा एक्सपेरिमेंट किया था विच आई जस्ट वांटेड टू शेयर विथ यू. तो एक 2014 में उन्होंने एक्सपेरिमेंट किया था बाय द पब्लिक लाइब्रेरी ऑफ साइंस. तो एक एक्सपेरिमेंट हुआ जिसमें अराउंड 3,305 वॉलंटियर्स वेर स्टडीड. ओके तो ये टीन्स टू मिड 40s तक, टीनेजर्स टू मिड 40s तक ये एज ग्रुप लिया गया. एंड दे वेर स्टडीड फॉर क्विक थिंकिंग. उनकी कैपेसिटी कितनी है, क्विक थिंकिंग की उनकी कैपेसिटी कितनी है, ये जानकारी वो लोगों ने लेने की कोशिश की. ओके तो उसमें वो लोगों को ये पता चला कि ये जो ब्रेन है, ओके तो ये जो है, इसकी जो डिक्लाइन है, धीरे धीरे ये जो काम कम करना जो शुरुआत करता है, तो इसकी जो उम्र है ऑन एन एवरेज दैट इज 24. तो ये क्विक थिंकिंग है, थोड़ा बहुत तभी से कम हो सकता है. सो एट द एज ऑफ 24. ओके सो बट उन्होंने ये स्टडी में उनको ये भी पता चला कि कॉग्निटिव डिक्लाइन होता है सभी में, मतलब हो सकता है, सभी में होता है ऐसा नहीं. बट हमारी जो क्यूरोसिटी है, जानकारी हासिल करने की जो हमारी वृत्ति है, तो वो जनरली इंटैक्ट रहती है. ब्रेन हमारा भले ही डिक्लाइन हो, वो एक ऑर्गन है हमारे शरीर का, वो एक ऑर्गन है. ओके सो दैट शोज डिक्लाइन, बट हमारी जो क्यूरोसिटी है, that generally remains intact. Okay, so this is what this study said. Okay, अभी आप लोग कहोगे कि ये क्यूरोसिटी के बारे में हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं, जिज्ञासा के बारे में, नए चीजों के बारे में जानकारी लेने के बारे में हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं. सो व्हाट डज इट हैव टू डू विथ वेलबीइंग? ओके और ये ऐसे साइंटिस्ट हैं, ऐसे साइकोलॉजिस्ट हैं जिन्होंने करीब 20 साल तक उन्होंने क्यूरोसिटी को स्टडी किया है. ओके क्यूरोसिटी को उन्होंने स्टडी किया है, और उन्होंने ये कहा है कि क्यूरोसिटी ओपन्स द डोर टू मोर देन स्ट्राइविंग फॉर हैप्पीनेस. अगर आप लोग देखने जाएं तो दलाई लामा को सब लोग जानते हैं, जो बुद्धिस्ट स्कॉलर है. तो उन्होंने कहा है कि जनरली हैप्पीनेस इज द पर्पस ऑफ लाइफ. जनरली हम लोग ये कहते हैं कि हैप्पीनेस, हम लोगों को खुश रहना होता है, दैट इज द पर्पस ऑफ लाइफ. एंड अगर हम लोगों को हैप्पीनेस अगर आयुष्य में हमारे चाहिए, तो वन ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट इज निग्लेक्टेड ओके इन in our life is curiosity, because curiosity helps in finding purpose and meaning in life. ओके तो ये आपको एक छोटा सा मैं एग्जांपल देना चाहूंगी, एंड आई थिंक आई हैव गिवन दिस एग्जांपल बिफोर ऑफ दिस लेडी कॉल्ड बोकुल चैटर्जी. ओके तो इनका आउटलुक मैगजीन में इनकी स्टोरी आई थी. एंड दिस लेडी इज 87 years of age, and her at that time, around I think 10 years back, this lady must be older now. तो ये at around 87, this lady went to a college in Kolkata and she gave her first year BA exam. Okay, and she said that I do not want to die without getting my BA certificate. I have not been able to do my BA in my earlier life, and I want to die only after taking my BA certificate. So she said this gave purpose and meaning to my life, getting my BA certificate. So if she wouldn't have been curious कि बाबा क्या होता है, मुझे पढ़ाई करनी है, ये चीज के बारे में ज्यादा जानकारी हासिल करनी है, so that leads to leading a rich and meaningful existence. Okay, and living a life that truly matters. Okay, तो curiosity has to do a lot with well-being, और ये आगे भी हम लोग देखेंगे कि इसका क्या महत्व है. ओके, तो और बहुत सारा रिसर्च हो गया है, उसमें उन्होंने कहा है कि इट इम्प्रूव्स द क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ. ओके, एंड इट लीड्स टू इंटेलिजेंस एंड लर्निंग. और हम लोगों को ये भी मालूम है कि जो जो भी कुछ अभी मतलब जो भी कोई डिस्कवरीज हुए हैं, ओके, तो वो एंटीबायोटिक्स का हो या इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब का हो या कुछ भी हो, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का हो, सो दैट हैज बीन पॉसिबल ओनली बिकॉज पीपल हैव बीन क्यूरियस. ये क्यों हो रहा है, इसको मैं कैसे बेहतर कर सकता हूँ. So that is the question which has driven that is the question which has driven people, and because of that so many technological advancements have been made. तो सबसे पहला है intelligence and learning. तो ये it basically primes the brain for learning, और दूसरा ये है कि हमारे नॉलेज में जो गैप्स है वो भी भरने के लिए हम लोगों को मदद करता है. सो इट लीड्स टू इंटेलिजेंस एंड लर्निंग. दूसरा ये है कि सोशल रिलेशनशिप्स. ओके, तो there is a very well known motivational speaker called Anthony Robbins. शायद आपने इनका नाम सुना होगा. तो he has said in his book that हमारा quality of life है that is directly proportional to the quality of our relationships. ओके, तो जनरली इसका शॉर्ट में ये क्या है कि अगर हम लोग किसी और के बारे में हम लोग अगर क्यूरियस होते हैं, हम लोग किसी के साथ अगर दोस्ती करते हैं, तो वो आदमी कैसा है, वो आदमी का स्वभाव कैसा है, वो आदमी के जिंदगी में क्या हो रहा है, उसको मैं कुछ हेल्प कर सकती हूँ क्या. तो ये अगर आपके दिमाग में अगर ये प्रश्न होंगे या हमारा जो स्वभाव है वो मिलता जुलता है क्या, if these questions are there, then basically we are showing some curiosity towards the other person. If the other person doesn't care about me, or if the other person doesn't care about a friend, does not care about what is going on in his or her life, there will be nothing. There will be nothing in that relationship. So that is why it leads to improved or good social relationships also. Okay, third thing is happiness and meaning. Okay, another example which I have always given is this person called Abid Surti. So Abid Surti started this organization called Water. Very well known personality, was a cartoonist, and he said that I want to save water, because we generally say that 2 world wars have already taken place, and if the third world war has to happen, God forbid, but if it happens, then it will be around the issue of water. ओके, तो उनका कहना ये था कि पानी एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रिसोर्स है, एंड आई वांट टू सेव वाटर. सो दिस gentleman, what he does is he goes to housing societies, and he used to go to municipal schools when they were working. Right now schools are not working, so he used to go to these places and he used to repair leaking taps. तो उनका कहना ये था that this is what gives my life meaning. Okay, so water is very important, and it is my responsibility to save water. So this is the question that he asked himself, that what can I do to save water, and this is the answer that he came up with. Okay, so it gives rise to happiness and meaning. और चौथा जो है is brain health. Okay, so there is a book which had come called The Power of Premonitions. Okay, और वो book में उन्होंने ऐसे लिखा था कि जो औरतें, ये औरतों के ऊपर स्टडी हुई थी, और उन्होंने ये लिखा था कि जो औरतें कुछ नया फाइंड आउट करने की कोशिश करती है या कोई मिस्ट्री में अपने आप को इन्वॉल्व करती है, मिनी मिस्ट्रीज. So basically they said that people who engage themselves in mini mysteries, who take on novel experiences, ओके, तो जो उनको उनके जो फेमिलियर रूटीन्स हैं उनसे बाहर निकलने के लिए उनको फोर्स करते हैं, तो ऐसे जो औरतें हैं उनकी जो मेंटल फैकल्टीज होती हैं, उनकी जो मेंटल हेल्थ होती है, वो ज्यादा दिन तक अच्छी रह सकती है. तो इट improves योर ब्रेन हेल्थ ऑल्सो. Going in for novel experiences, trying something new, which generally in old age we are reluctant to do. Okay, so if we do that, then it is going to lead to all these benefits. Okay, other benefits, ये बहुत सारे उसके benefits हैं, but they have said that it leads to longevity of life also. उन्होंने और एक स्टडी की थी जिसमें उन्होंने पाया कि almost 30% your quality of life will improve if there is curiosity, desire to know new things, taking on novel experiences, something that you have not indulged in before. Okay, and they had another study also in which they studied around 1200 white men. तो वो उसका सिर्फ मैं आपको समरी बता रही हूँ, that they try to see which men were curious about a particular subject or certain subjects, and they found that there was a correlation between strong physical and psychological health and that tendency of curiosity. अगर क्यूरोसिटी होती है, जानकारी हासिल करने की इच्छा अगर होती है, that leads to strong physical and psychological health. And they are also saying if I have higher curiosity, it will also lead to better coping skills. कोई मुझे हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स है, मैं ज्यादा अच्छे से कैसे कोप करूं, क्या करूं जिससे आई कैन हैव अ बेटर क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ. एंड आई थिंक वी हैव ये एल्बर्ट श्वाइट्जर करके एक बहुत ही वाज अ वेल नोन सोशल वर्कर जर्मन, एंड ही यूज्ड टू प्ले द पियानो. Okay, and he got Parkinson's. Okay, and everyone thought that because he got Parkinson's, an older adult, I think he was around 60, matlab, around 70 years of age, so he got Parkinson's, and everyone thought that this person used to give piano concerts all over the world, and everyone thought that now that is not going to be possible because he's got Parkinson's. But what did this person do? What did Albert Schweitzer do? He learned only those tunes on the piano which required his hands to tremble, which is what happens in Parkinson's. Okay, so it is because of this curiosity. What can I do to continue playing the piano? So it is these questions which are essential. So generally what happens is we don't want to ask questions. We just want to wallow in self-pity. अरे मेरे से ये नहीं हो रहा है, मेरे से वो नहीं हो रहा है, मैं ये नहीं कर सकती हूँ. And that is what we say. In old age, we have to focus on things that we can do, not on things that we cannot do. Okay. So other benefits of curiosity are it also is protective against cognitive and physical जो decline होता है, तो वो भी कम करने के लिए हम लोगों को help हो सकती है. Okay. So it helps us to be more active. Okay, और ये कैसे हम लोग curiosity को बढ़ा सकते हैं, क्या कर सकते हैं, that maybe we can see, and if we get the chance, maybe you can also talk about it. ओके, तो ये काफी इंटरेस्टिंग ये था, मतलब डैनियल लेविटिन, ही इज अ वेरी वेल नोन साइकोलॉजिस्ट, और उन्होंने ये कहा था कि देयर आर टू मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट्स व्हिच डिटरमाइन सक्सेसफुल एजिंग. ही इज रिटन अ लॉट अबाउट एजिंग एंड ही इज रिटन अ लॉट अबाउट ब्रेन हेल्थ. तो उन्होंने कहा था कि टू इम्पोर्टेंट पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट्स, वन इज कॉन्शियसनेस, मतलब हम लोग कितने लॉयल हैं, इफ आई हैव मे बी गिवन अ वर्ड तो मैं उसको फुलफिल करती हूँ कि नहीं, मैं जो समझो प्रॉमिस करती हूँ वो फुलफिल करती हूँ कि नहीं. Being conscientious. Okay, so sticking to whatever I say, doing whatever I say, so that is conscientiousness. The second thing which he said is openness to experience. That is curiosity, being open to new experiences. And he said that we need to fight the complacency to do the same thing over and over again. And that is what happens when we fall into a routine. वही चीजें करो, because that is what I'm used to, that is what I like doing, and that is what I'm comfortable doing. So basically, not being able to come out of my comfort zone. And he said, Daniel Levitin has said that this tendency to not want to do new things. अरे नया कौन ये करेगा, कौन खिटपिट करेगा? To not do new things can lead to cognitive decline. Okay, and it's really good that Tare Social helps you to get involved in so many different things, puzzles, quizzes, and different things. So that is what they are trying to do, making you get involved with new things where you need to stimulate your brain, where you get novel experiences, where you are made to think, and that is very necessary to avoid or to reduce cognitive decline. There is another book which is called Being Curious, and there is this person who studied curiosity for for around 20 years. ओके और उन्होंने जब भी क्यूरोसिटी उन्होंने स्टडी किया तो उन्होंने सिर्फ मुझे अभी क्यूरोसिटी ये करना है, मुझे क्यूरोसिटी स्टडी करना है, इसके लिए उन्होंने उसकी शुरुआत नहीं की. तो उन्होंने सबसे ये पहले ये किया कि he actually started off because he wanted to study social anxiety. He wanted to study social anxiety. Okay, तो generally हम लोग, some people are quite shy of approaching other people or maybe meeting strangers. So he wanted to study what leads to this and how can we reduce social anxiety. And what he found out was कि ये जब भी हम लोग ये फाइंड आउट करने की कोशिश करते हैं कि दूसरा जो आदमी मेरे सामने खड़ा है या दूसरा जो आदमी मेरे सामने है, am I really taking interest in that person? Do I know about that person? Do I really have the curiosity to understand more about that person? And we know ये जो book था, I don't know how to win friends and influence people, Dale Carnegie का book था, तो उसमें उन्होंने वही किया. If you really genuinely take interest in people, people will be interested in you. If you are not going to take interest in people, then people will not be interested in you. तो उसी इससे उन्होंने कहा कि this social anxiety can be reduced through increasing your curiosity when it comes to social relationships. Okay, and that is how he started, studying curiosity through studying social anxiety. Okay, so he is saying being curious, he is saying that curious मतलब सिर्फ questions पूछना ये नहीं है, that can also be an approach to life. Okay, and that is the missing ingredient. As Dalai Lama has also said, happiness is important. But along with that, purpose and meaning is also important. And one quality which is generally neglected is curiosity. Okay, and that is the engine for growth. Quite a well-known book called Curious. Albert Einstein has said that I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious. I'm just curious. So it's now, if such a well-known personality, if he's saying that he did not have any special talent because he asked so many questions, he was able to make those discoveries and inventions. Okay, another, this is this inverted arc of curiosity. So it says that basically it says that whenever I know a little about something, when I have little information about something, that is when I try and get information, that is when it rises to the peak. this curiosity rises to the peak. And once I am able to fulfill that curiosity, it again comes back. Okay, so this is the inverted arc of curiosity, as research says. Okay, so basically, there is this quote which says Eleanor Roosevelt has said that curiosity must be kept alive. It has to be preserved. Automatically कुछ नहीं होता है. Okay, and there is this beautiful quote by Louis Eduardo Ott. He says that I think that if we lose our curiosity, there is nothing. There is no reflection, and therefore there is no knowledge, and there is no possibility of knowing, of getting to the bottom of something. Without curiosity, straight away, you are not living. Okay, so curiosity is the basis of our human life. That is what he's saying. Okay, so basically 4 factors that diminish curiosity. Research says the first thing is fear. Okay, fear. Okay, so what is this? What fear could be there? What is this new knowledge that I'm, maybe information that I'm going to get? What if this is not useful to me? Okay, so these kind of things generally we ask ourselves, and then we don't want to learn anything new, or then we feel कि ये जानकारी हासिल करने का कोई यूज नहीं है. दूसरा है assumptions, the way things we have always done, because we have done things in a certain way, because we have cooked a dish in a particular way, we assume that this is the best way to do it. I will not try a new way of doing it. So these assumptions which are there. The third thing is technology. Technology, and generally if I have to learn some technology to get some information, then generally we don't want to do it. Okay, because who's going to learn that technology, and maybe new app or whatever. So basically I give up. Okay, and generally also what we talked about, curiosity kill the cat, because maybe our peers or our family or parents or whatever teachers, they have always told us that don't unnecessarily try and find out more about things which do not concern you. That is why we restrict our tendency to question things, or to know more about things, or to have an inquisitive mind. Okay, so 2 important factors that determine curiosity. One is the safety of the environment. सच में अगर मुझे सेफ लगता है तो जनरली मैं जानकारी हासिल करने की कोशिश करूंगी उसमें. If there are certain risks, then I won't indulge in that. The second thing is the value individual places on learning. Because Bokul Chatterjee placed a high value on learning, she gave that BA exam. Okay, so if we place a value on learning, if we place value on knowing more about things, as is done in Kaun Banega Crorepati, knowing more about things, gaining knowledge, knowing answers to questions. So if I place that high value on learning, then definitely I am going to be more curious. Okay, so basically research is saying that there are more stronger variables than age which determine one's curiosity. So just because we are of a particular age does not mean that our curiosity has to reduce or diminish. It has nothing to do with aging. Okay, so they are saying that the fundamental things people want out of life, strong relationships, as we said, and also as we discussed, showing interest in people, other people, and also showing interest in myself. ये मुझ में क्यों हो रहा है? क्या हो रहा है? Why am I behaving in this way? What is happening to me? So this basically is linked to curiosity. Happiness is also connected to curiosity. Accomplishing things is also linked to curiosity. Okay, so they are saying that the loss of curiosity is not a function of aging. ये aging से इसका कोई वास्ता नहीं है. It is the learned fear of knowledge. Fear of knowledge. There is a fear. ये यूज मैं कर पाऊंगी कि नहीं, मेरे लिए यूजफुल है कि नहीं. There was one instance we know where this person was saying, this husband, he basically did not try and learn how to fix things in the house. Generally जो छोटी छोटी चीजें ये होती हैं मतलब रिपेयर करनी पड़ती हैं at home. So this husband did not want to learn those things because his wife would give him that job. So he said, why get into that? I don't want to learn it at all. So we have 100 excuses to not learn or to not do new things. So that is that learned fear of knowledge. It's learned. Okay. So there is this, definition of curiosity which has been given by research, which says that it is a sustained inquiry and wonder as reflected by enthusiasm and interest in opportunities for learning and experience. So basically what we are trying to say is curiosity requires openness to new experiences. It requires nurturing. It requires preservation via learning or social opportunities. It requires nurturing. It requires you to keep it alive. Okay. There are basically 5 dimensions of curiosity which research has said, and if we can just quickly, I'll just try and go through that. So I told you there is this person who has been studying curiosity for the past 20 years. His name is Todd Kashdan, and I'll quickly go into that. Okay, so he said that there are 5 dimensions rather than taking curiosity as one particular trait. There are 5 different aspects, 5 dimensions of curiosity. One is, he said, deprivation sensitivity. He says that is recognizing the gap in the knowledge. मुझे क्या नहीं आता है? Okay, so once I try and see what the gap in my knowledge is, then I will try and reduce that deprivation. Then I will try and get more information on that particular subject. The second, this is joyous exploration. Once I know that there is a gap, I will try and fill in the gap and also try and explore new things and also try and see that, whatever I'm curious about, I try and get to know more about that. The third, this dimension, as we said, is social curiosity. Knowing more about people. Being genuinely interested in people. चौथा उन्होंने कहा है कि the fourth dimension is stress tolerance. जब भी हम लोग कुछ नया जानकारी हासिल करते हैं, that can also lead to anxiety. Okay, and we know that even in Gokul Chatterjee's case, this lady had arthritis. This lady had hearing difficulties. This lady had eyesight issues. But still, the goal was much more important. Her curiosity, her desire for learning, for gaining knowledge was much more important. So that's why, she was able to tolerate this anxiety or this stress that came along with this, desire to learn. Okay, so this stress tolerance is also extremely important. And they say that the fifth one is thrill seeking. So that is being willing to take physical, social, financial risks to acquire varied, complex and intense experiences, as happened in the case of Adit Surti. तो थ्रिल सीकिंग इन द सेंस के बड़ा कोई वो सलमान खान जैसा वो थ्रिल थम्स अप पी के वो थ्रिल की बात हम लोग नहीं कर रहे हैं, बट थ्रिल सीकिंग इन द सेंस दैट न्यू एक्सपीरियंसेस, वेरिड कॉम्प्लेक्स एक्सपीरियंसेस, ट्राइंग टू learn something or experience something new. Okay, so these are the 5 dimensions of curiosity. Simple questions for generating curiosity in ourselves. What am I most curious about? Is there a skill or hobby which I like? Is there a new talent that I have wanted to explore? Is there a city or country that I want to know more about? What am I most curious about? So these are the questions that I need to ask myself. Okay, so they are saying that curiosity and happiness are deeply connected and we should not allow We should not allow reality to kill our curiosity. हम लोग जनरली बोलते हैं ये करने के लिए मुझे टाइम नहीं है, वो करने के लिए मुझे टाइम नहीं है. If there are certain questions that you have, write them down. At that point of time, if you do not have the time or if you are not able to find out the answers to those questions, but don't let that kill your curiosity. The third thing is that curiosity can starve your worries of oxygen. You're constantly worried and constantly, ruminating about something. तो अगर कोई चीज के बारे में हम लोग इंटरेस्टेड या क्यूरियस रहते हैं तो ये हमारे वरीज जो है वो थोड़े से बाजू में रह जाते, डिस्ट्रैक्शन हो जाता है. So if I'm not curious about anything, then I'm definitely going to think about all my worries, problems, issues, and ये नहीं हो रहा है, वो नहीं हो रहा है, ये दिख रहा है, वो दिख रहा है, ये नहीं कर सकती, वो नहीं कर सकती. So curiosity can starve my worries of oxygen. And it's a powerful anti-aging tool. Okay, so these are the different advantages of curiosity. And one thing, we need to find novelty in daily opportunities. I'm not going through all of them. Finding novelty in daily opportunities. We also have heard of this example of this person called this night he started Fauja Singh. So his name was Fauja Singh. So he started running at the age of 83. And then he went on to run in many marathons. Okay, so he just started running. And then someone once told him, because his wife had passed away, his son had passed away, and he liked running. So he used to run in the mornings, and people saw him running, and then he said, and then they suggested to him that why don't you participate in the marathon? And then he went in the marathon, and then now he's one of the I think his name has come in this record holder for running after the age of 100. Okay, so he participated whatever opportunity he got. He was doing that daily. He was running daily, but he got that new opportunity. So he tried that out, participated in it. Okay, so awaken your inner Sherlock. Generally, we associate, curiosity with being with Sherlock Holmes. So awakening our inner Sherlock, becoming a better listener. Okay, practicing with a beginner's mind. So what am I most curious about? What do I want to know? What do I want to study? These are important things. These are important things which do not reduce because of aging. Actually, they increase in aging because we have the time. We might have the time to enjoy all these things. Okay, so thank you very much. I think I've overshot my time. So thank you very much for listening to me. If there is a little time, then maybe you can, I would request.
Very nice.
Thank you. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Very interesting.
Very informative.
Thank you.
Very informative.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So,
Thank you, Amrita. Thank
Yeah.
you for your time.
thank you. Thank you.
Does
Bye.
anyone want to share something or ask anything for a few minutes, or then you want to wind up?
Is someone raising their hand, or is their hand coming in?
Hello, yes. Now I'm Deepa, and I have joined an EDX course from Harvard University at this age about Hindu scriptures and its influence on world culture.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Wonderful.